let us transition into our referral partner training. Guys, I'm really excited that we have an opportunity to keep coming together. Those of you who are referral partners on the line, if you're not in yet and you're still watching this as a training, that's great too. Just jump right in and become that referral partner. Okay, but during this training, one of the main things that I want to do is I want to make sure that we as a community of partners, business partners in this company, in this concept, that we understand our identity. Okay, in a world where things are moving fast, a company and a concept that is really being developed in real time. We went from pre-launch to soft launch. We're addressing things, we're making changes, we're dialing it in. So, the world is changing, the model is changing all in one. So with that being said, it causes us to need to put an emphasis on making sure that we stay, you know, that we stay in tune with who we are, the identity of who we are, what we're doing. Okay. So that way we can duplicate, we can share that information, people can understand it, and they can take action from there. So during the course of this training today, I want to talk about that, and we'll cover a few other things as well. So if you guys have any questions, please use the chat box. The chat box will be your friend. If you think of something along the way, type that in the chat box. I'll make sure that I keep an eye on the chat box. And if I don't answer the questions in real time, I'll make sure I'll read through them and we'll address them before we adjourn. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So again, we LMG, we have this hybrid business model where we combine network marketing with traditional advertising. It's never been done before. Okay. That's kind of like the leading point. There's so many different things that we're going to do, but that's the basis of who we are and what we plan on doing. What's our unique selling proposition, right? USP. We're a hybrid business model, and we're doing something that's never been done before by combining network marketing with traditional advertising. We plan on dominating the market through this hybrid business model. Okay. So we offer an opportunity, an income opportunity through this hybrid business model. The type of opportunity that can go from making some extra money to replacing your income and maybe even generating wealth. When you really understand the basis of the compensation plan, even just one stream of income that's generated through the compensation plan, the main stream of income that's generated through the compensation plan is directly related to our campaign subscription model. And that particular stream can generate you, anywhere from dollars to tens of dollars to hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars to tens of thousands to even hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars on a monthly basis. And when you understand this concept and you utilize our calculator, it validates, it verifies that this is the type of system that can generate that type of scalable income when it's engaged effectively and built consistently. Okay. So that's why we talk about our power of three income example, because we want to show the model and let it be understood how the income can and will be generated, and B, with that understanding, allow people to see themselves creating that in a step-by-step manner. It all starts with you getting three and duplicating from there. This industry is powerful because of leverage and duplication. That's why people like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, a lot of these very successful business people who built traditional businesses and just made history. I mean, they've created some of the highest levels of success. After creating that success, they said that if they had to start all over again, or if they had a chance to start all over again, even if they didn't have to, if they had a chance to start all over again, they would choose network marketing. After creating all that success, they want to choose network marketing. Why? Because there's power in there. The power is leverage and duplication. It all starts with three. If you can get three and you can help those three get three, and together, okay, you all help those 9 get three, and you just keep this duplication, that's where the magic happens. Okay, I know I'm preaching to the choir. Okay, but that type of six-figure income example of the power of three, again, is done off of just one income stream through LMG. It has nothing to do with the income streams that you do with your other companies or some of the other income streams that you'll generate through the LMG compensation structure. Okay, but again, from every $50 campaign subscription in your 7-level unilevel matrix, you make $1 per subscription. Okay, and this is huge, because it's just $1, right? So most people can't understand, right? Well, why just $1? Because we have up to 50 subscriptions. So it's really anywhere between $50 a month and $2,500 a month that you're comfortable with spending on a monthly marketing and advertising campaign. That's why you have multiple subscriptions that you can purchase of it, get in where you fit in. Okay. And like many other products and services that are in the market, if you're going to go to market with them, whether it's through network marketing or any other distribution, strategy, you have to look at your margins, right? And that's a big part of it. Okay. So this $50 campaign subscription, we have most of the margin going towards advertising. It's okay. So it's not a big fat commission per sale. It's $1 commission per sale. But when you look at the system, that's why we have the calculator and we have the income examples to show you the power of the system and how $1 on each commission $1 on each subscription can generate substantial income, 6-figure and above even. Okay. So again, we want to do all of this we want to make history and we want to make a difference. So we want to offer people an opportunity to make income, and we're doing it through our LMG 50 campaign system, as we said, and we want to become the world's largest advertiser by doing that. Okay. And we will do it by serving 2 different markets with this marketing and advertising system. We'll serve our referral partners, and we'll also serve customers, people who don't even want to, build infrastructure in our income opportunity, right? All right, and again, it's a $50 campaign subscription up to 50 subscriptions. Okay, anywhere between $50 and $2,500, and each subscription gives you a single unit of shared global advertising results. Okay, as well as expert marketing funnels, professional design web pages, banner ads, expert copywriting, autoresponder sequences, diversified ads. Okay, and all of that is done through our funnel system. Okay, we have our LMG funnels, and it all starts with a lead capture page, which captures leads for you and stores them in your lead follow-up system. Now, after you capture a lead, that lead then lands on the landing page of your choice. You set up your funnel. Okay, you can choose an LMG landing page, or you can choose an outside landing page for each funnel that you save in the system. Now, after that landing page, okay, goes towards signups. Now, if you choose LMG as a landing page for a particular funnel that you have for LMG, then that landing page is going to lead to the sign up page. Now, if you use an outside landing page, it depends on, what that landing page is doing. And most other opportunity companies, their landing pages go to a sign up page as well, right? But we don't have any control over tracking any of that as well. We can just, help you drive traffic to that particular landing page through one of your funnels. And you'll get more than one funnel depending on your level of participation, okay? But again, the way that this campaign system works is it all starts with the master campaign. So as everybody's purchasing their campaign subscriptions, that generates a global advertising budget, okay? And we run that budget through our master campaign, and the master campaign results are rotated with our rotator system in order for us to have equal distribution of the results. So every time you purchase a campaign subscription, your campaign link is added to the rotator. Okay, so if you have multiple campaign subscriptions, you have multiple positions in that master campaign rotator. Okay, giving you multiple equal shares of the results that derive from the master campaign. Okay, all right. And again, with that $50 subscription, you're not only getting the corporate master campaign, but you're also getting a personal replicated campaign, and your results are tracked separately. So you'll see how many clicks you're getting on your campaign links and how many clicks you're getting on your personal links. If you're, willing to roll up your sleeves and spend some time on a daily basis to share your links as well. So now you're not just depending on the master campaign, but you're also out there getting it for yourself. All right. And one other thing too is to just realize that the campaign model is an annual subscription. Okay, and it has a 12-month momentum phase. Any marketing and advertising system that is created requires time. Okay, nothing is quick or instant in business, or especially in marketing and advertising. That's why we built our LMG 50 master campaign on a 12-month annual subscription. Okay, so now when you purchase a subscription, you're purchasing an annual subscription, and then you pay it on a monthly basis. It's month to month. So if you decide to fall out of it, it's just your loss, right? So you're not held. Uh, you know, it's month to month, right? So it's really up to you. But we like to remind everybody of this, to manage expectations, right? A lot of people think that they're going to come in and spend very little dollars and magically have a full business built for them instantly overnight. It just doesn't work that way. And I'll never say never. If you find that there is something out there, please be a friend. Let me know. But from my understanding, it doesn't exist. That's a fallacy. It takes time. It takes dedication. And that's why we're looking for people who are willing to endure, see the vision, and let us all lock arms together over a period of time, and let's build this and see it. Okay. Now, this is really, it's an opportunity for people to capitalize on, because over time, even that opportunity is going to close, because as we continue with our corporate structure and our ability to strategically fund and raise capital, then we're going to be able to do a lot even more from a corporate standpoint. And that'll be great for the company, and that'll be great for a lot of people. But again, it closes opportunity for people, because now it's not our network marketing side that helped us build up momentum and help us to raise a large advertising budget that's going to maximize our results. It won't be that generated. It'll be corporate funding, okay, that blew up the initial advertising budget that helped create the organic advertising budget that maintains over time. So now the company itself and any type of strategic investors or lenders, then now they're going to be more of a benefactor of that result. So again, this is a soft launch opportunity. There's an opportunity for people to come in and capitalize on this early stage, become a referral partner, and be at the top. They say, again, that's why I reference the fact when people say it's unfair because only the people at the top are making money. It's very fair when those people at the top help to build and establish the company. And that's the opportunity that we have, and you're getting in on it in a 12-month momentum phase, and we're looking forward to people enduring. So again, just to cover how it works, we went over this a little bit already. Everybody starts for free. Then they can purchase a membership to activate their referral business. And when they purchase a membership package and they become activated as a referral business, it gives them participation in the membership rewards program, okay, where they're able to generate points, and those points are used to pay for their memberships and their campaign subscriptions, okay? Now, we have 4 membership package options that folks can activate and or upgrade to, okay? The lowest one is $10. So for as little as $10, a person can activate the referral business and continue to stay active by making sure that they keep paying the $10 monthly payment for that blue membership. Now, the points that they generate, because when they activate their blue membership, they're going to enter the blue 3x7 force matrix. And as the company grows and more people are forced underneath them in that 3x7 matrix, and pay for a blue membership, then they'll earn a point on each paid membership that's underneath them in that 3x7 matrix. Those points will help to pay for your membership and your campaigns, okay? Same thing if they choose the bronze package, all right? That means that the bronze is 20 and the blue is 10, okay? So the bronze package to activate would be $30. You're gonna enter both matrices. You'll be in the blue matrix and the bronze matrix. And anything that falls underneath you in that bronze as well is gonna give you 2 points. And the same thing goes on for the silver and the gold package options. If you choose gold, you're purchasing the 40, the 30, the 20, and the 10. It's $100 to activate. You enter in all 4 matrices, and from there, it will cost $100 a month to continue keeping all of your memberships active. Now, by going gold, you put yourself in all 4 matrices, which means you increase your potential points that you can generate as the company is growing, which means that you increase your ability to max out, to have enough points to pay for all 4 memberships and all 50 campaign subscriptions. Okay, and then you can pay it forward with your extra points. So again, when you purchase your blue membership and you activate, well, when you purchase any membership package, you will activate your business and you will have access to the membership rewards program for doing so. All right. So thirdly, when you decide to purchase, okay, a $50 campaign subscription, then that's going to make you qualified. Now we have a special deal, which means that when you become a referral partner and you're active, you're going to get your first campaign subscription at a discount. It's only going to cost you $40. And we did that because we wanted to honor our loyal senior founders and our founders who've been participating. We offered a $50 a month opportunity. And because of this, it's still a $50 a month opportunity. Because if they're paying minimal $10 membership and they get their first campaign subscription discounted at $40, you're paying $50 out of your pocket, assuming you have no points or commissions. You're spending still $50 out of your pocket, and it makes you qualified to earn in the compensation plan. Okay. All right. Which there are 5 ways to get paid. There's really 2 of them that are coming soon, and 3 of them are live right now. The 7 levels is most important of LMG campaign subscription commissions. We also have our 5x5 force matrix bonuses and our founders bonus. And there's limited participation because we only have a limited amount of founders. We have quite a bit of founder positions that are available. They've become available since everything that has happened on our journey. Okay. And that just opens up opportunity for people who are willing to help us build and grow this company. Okay. So, as we continue on, you guys will see more people being promoted to founders based on their performance. They've brought in 3 who've all brought in 3 each, creating a 12-person team. Trust me, we'll have it all together, and we'll have the flyers, we'll have the videos, we'll make it very clear what the promotion is, because we want to incentivize people who are willing to build just a core team. Okay, we're not going to make it too crazy. We'll do so many founder positions for one level of achievement. We'll do so many other founder positions for another level of achievement. And we'll start to, exhaust those that way. And that will help the company grow, and it'll incentivize the people who are willing to do some building grassroots, okay? And they deserve it, because to get a piece of that founder's bonus as the company grows, just the possibility is staggering. The income potential is staggering. And I love potential. Potential is where it starts, all right? And then from there, if we do the right things, we take potential and we make it become reality. Okay. All right. So now I just want to cover again how it works and more of a summary. Okay. So this is how our system works right now. Sure, we're going to keep improving on it. We're going to keep simplifying it, making it better. We're going to keep all these things going. But as it stands right now, this is how it works. Everybody comes in, they create a free account. What's great is the free account is just really the final pathway of our marketing funnel and system, right? So our funnels start outside of our back office and they continue from the inside of the back office in the free account model, okay? And with that free account, we offer people the ability to learn more and decide how they want to move forward. And there's a few different ways that they can move forward. One is as a customer. That means that they are not participating in our income opportunity side of the company. They're just purchasing and using our marketing and advertising system to help them build whatever other businesses that they're involved in, right? Secondly, they could become a referral partner, which means they are participating in our income opportunity side. They want to build infrastructure in the model in order to generate income. And thirdly, just remain a free member. You know, there are certain people who are going to do that. They just want to be looky-loos. They just want to see what the hype is about and if it's going to succeed or not. Really, they want to see it fail. Just going to be honest, right? The looky-loos, they're waiting for that. They're waiting for that hammer to drop. And it's not going to drop, okay? Because we won't stop until we win, right? When you're passionate, when what you're doing is connected to a purpose, and you really want to make a difference, it doesn't, nothing's going to stop you. You'll take as long as it takes. You'll do everything that you need to do. And finally, it becomes a reality. But the point is, that's okay. That is a key part of our targeted demographic, the non-believers. If we can just bring them in, they can be exposed, and over time, they will see the success story and more people will come back or they'll convert, so on and so forth. So those are the three different ways that some of the folks will move forward after they come on with us and create a free account. Now, if they decide to become a customer, again, that means that they're paying $50 to purchase an annual campaign subscription. And since they have that subscription active, if they want to keep it active, they have to continue making the monthly payment. The moment that they miss a monthly payment, that campaign subscription is inactive, it becomes canceled, and that position in the rotator is lost. If that member decides they want to purchase another campaign subscription, they will be purchasing another annual campaign subscription. It will establish a new position in the rotator, okay? And they must continue making the monthly payments for that to remain active and keep that position in the rotator, okay? Now, if they decide to become a referral partner, they can choose a membership package that best suits them, whether they want to spend just $10 for the blue or whether they want to spend $30, which is 20 for the bronze and 10 for the blue, whether they want to pay $60, which is 30 for the silver, 20 for the bronze, 10 for the blue, or whether they want to spend 100, 40 for the gold, 30 for the silver, 20 for the bronze, 10 for the blue. They will choose the membership package that best fits them, and they will have an opportunity to add a discounted campaign subscription to the order if they choose to. So at that point, they'll be at a crossroads when they become a referral partner, whether they want to be just active or if they want to be active and qualified, right? Because if you don't add the discounted campaign subscription, you are active, but you're not qualified, okay? And by being active and not qualified, you have access to your LMG funnels, okay? If you, and we'll show you how many you have, okay? So if you come in as a blue member, you will have one funnel. If you come in with the bronze package, you get an additional 2 funnels, giving you a total of 3. Same if you come in with the silver package, you'll have a total of 6. And with the gold package, you'll have a total of 10 funnels, okay? So, you know, you'll have access to the LMG funnels depending on your membership package, and you can manually share your links and generate leads to build your businesses, okay? You will not have an equal share of the master campaign's traffic though, okay? So it's all manual for you and you can start building your business. Now, if you do decide to add the discounted campaign subscription, you are active and qualified. Sure, you have access to the LMG funnels where you can manually share your links, but you also have an equal share of the master campaign's traffic, okay? So that's how it works. And that's why we encourage everybody to activate, lock in their spot in the 3x7 matrix, get their links, start sharing, decide if you want to purchase a campaign subscription to help you in your sharing, right? That's the beauty of the hybrid business model. We have the network marketing side of it, where we're sharing, and we have the advertising side of it, where we're sharing, okay, through the advertising and the budget and the technology, right? And when you work on both of them at the same time, you're maximizing your growth, okay? All right, so the last and final thing that I wanted to cover before we adjourn here, and again, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the chat, and I'll answer them before we leave here. But the final thing that I wanted to cover today is, how to make sure that you're all good to go with your account this month, okay? Right now, we're in June. Yay, we're halfway through the year. We're fortunate to be here, okay? And this is part of the process. So if you're currently participating and you have a red notification or two at the top of your dashboard, then that simply means that you have some pending inactive memberships and or campaign subscriptions, okay? An email went out about this that has more details, but I wanted to cover it since we're here on the training webinar as well. So a great way for you to understand where you are for the month is by clicking the payment dues section in your referral business portion, or part of your account. You click payment dues and then click initial payment run, and that'll open up the initial payment run report. It's live right now, and it shows you how many rewards points that you had, okay? Excuse me, how many rewards points that you still have, okay? This computed everything that happened after our initial payment run for the month. So on the 2nd of this month, we did our run where we moved all of the approved pending points and all of the approved pending commissions into their wallets. After those points and commissions are moved into their wallets, immediately after that, our system does its auto pay attempt from the wallets. So it looks to pay for the monthly payments of any of your active memberships and campaign subscriptions based on what you have available in your wallet. And it will successfully pay it, okay? The ones that did not get successfully paid due to insufficient funds, all of those will be listed here so you can understand what you need to do as far as topping up your e-wallet to make sure that those pending inactive subscriptions or memberships don't become inactive and canceled after we do the second run on the final deadline, okay? So when you see here, rewards points and e-wallet balance, that shows you what you still have after the first payment run, okay? Where some payments were successful, all right? So in this example, there's 3 rewards points still available. They might have had 10 and 7 of them were used. Who knows, right? And you can, kind of figure that out too by looking at your memberships and your subscriptions, viewing the monthly summary and seeing which ones were successful and understanding what got paid. Eventually we'll have a report, we'll add that to these lines and it'll show that as well. But for now, the biggest and most important thing was understanding what needs to be paid before it goes inactive, okay? So when you see how many rewards points you still have available and how much money you have in your e-wallet that's available, it gives you a total of basically spending power to help pay the rest of the payments for the month. So the rest of the payments are as follows. It shows your pending memberships, a list of your memberships that still need to be paid. They were not successful in the first run. It'll show you the name of the membership and the membership ID. Same thing will happen with the pending subscriptions area. Show you a list of subscriptions that did not get paid successfully in the first run. And in this case, the subscriptions did get paid, or the subscription did get paid. But if you have multiple subscriptions, or if the one subscription didn't get paid, it'll be listed there as well as the ID, and you'll know how much money you need, okay? So it adds it all up, minus the amount that you do have available in spending power, and it lets you know how much money you need to top up into your e-wallet in order to pay for those memberships and or subscriptions when we do the second run. Okay. Beware that when you look at this report, when you do top up your e-wallet, two important points. Okay. When you top up your e-wallet, that red notification will still be in your back office. It's going to stay there until the final deadline passes and we do the second auto payment run and your payments are successful or not successful. If your payments are successful, all of the subscriptions and or payments will remain active. If they're not successful, they will become inactive and they will be canceled. Okay, so that's the way the system is working. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, please do type that in the chat box. If not, we are going to move to adjourn. And I look forward to catching back up with you guys again next week. And by the time next week comes, you know, we can talk a little bit more about the leadership bonuses. We can talk a little bit more about our development queue and where we are in the process of adding some more features and some more refinements as this is a growing process. So, all right, everybody. Well, I really do appreciate it. And I don't see anything in the chat. So I take it that we don't have any questions. But you guys know how to contact me if you do. Okay, if not, we'll do another Q&A again next week on Thursday. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. Well, I appreciate you all. Again, together, we can achieve anything that we want to. We can make history and we can make a difference in the lives of many. If we know our why, if we know the reasons why we want to accomplish these goals, why we want to achieve success, then we will endure to the end and we will create the next best success story that has happened globally. We have an opportunity to do that. There's a lot of shiny objects out there. There's a lot of opportunities out there. And I like shiny objects. I like opportunities. And that's why I like LMG, because we won't be limited to just LMG. You know, when this thing really gets going, we're going to be able to effectively build multiple streams of income, not just within our model, but with outside opportunities as well. There's a lot of passive streams out there. There's a lot of crypto opportunities out there. Myself, several other people are heavily engaged in it. And I haven't been personally pushing or promoting anything at that just yet because I'm enjoying the market research. Okay. And pretty soon here, we will be really just trying to streamline the process of exposing and sharing other passive opportunities that are out there in the crypto space, in the investment space, the blockchain space, what opportunities are out there and how we can utilize our system to expose them and train and share with people what they can do to get set up and structured right and benefit from it. Now, again, that part of it is also foundational and going to help with our ability to coach, train, and help people establish their corporations, get funding, and know exactly what to do to that funding to make it count and help their business and help their families create success and create wealth and create long-term sustainable passive income. So everything is building onto itself, you know, and I definitely have a wide and broad vision. What we're doing here with LMG is just connected to everything else. So no matter what, I'm going to make sure that we can dial this in because it's connected to so much more. Okay. And I'm barely starting to share a little bit more about what it's connected to. And the main reason for that is, you know, I'm trying real hard to keep the main thing the main thing. You can't put the cart before the horse, right? And it's not my strategy or my style to distract from the main thing by showing shiny objects of potential in the future. But now is the time to share a little bit more with you all. Most of everybody who's participating now is definitely a visionary who understands that it takes time, it takes diligence and dedication, and you guys are willing to fire on all cylinders right alongside with me, and I appreciate that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and close out this Thursday referral partner training. This is Shane Hyman signing off, saying goodbye. God bless you all, and we'll see you at the top. Thanks again, and bye for now.